Do you struggle with good money habits? The answer is yes. Here are my top 3 positive money habits. Number 1, do a budget. A lot of people want to get on top of their finances, but they've never done a budget. A budget is so important because it will help you determine your expenses and the items that you overspend money on. Once you know those items, you can decrease your spending and start saving. Number 2, pay yourself first. Ask your employer to pay part of your income to another bank account so you can't access it easily. Paying yourself first will ensure that you start saving. And finally, number 3 is invest. If you want your money to grow, it needs to be invested. They're my top 3 positive money habits. I'm Clyde Gonzalez. Thanks for watching.